The CIA currently estimates that on planet Earth, there are now 30 million ET human hybrids on our planet. Some law enforcement and ranchers had actually seen beams of light emitted by unidentified aerial craft in the sky. The tall blonde Nordics from Procyon have continued to crossbreed with us humans at many stages of our evolutionary development, and this type of activity still goes on. The tall blondes from Procyon are trying to correct somewhat scrambled results of their earlier genetic interventions here on Earth. If the tall whites are as they've been described to me by two different aerospace people, big places like Raytheon and Lockheed, where they have worked side by side with the tall white, and they talk about how it is like being with a human with 5 superconductor crays for a brain. But they're not incapacitated. The humans are not incapacitated by working with the tall white. They learn a lot. That what they describe that the tall white is capable of doing is overwhelming, but they work together, and that the tall white seems to have the ability, is trying to stay in the mode, is the way they said it, of helping us learn. And that's really important, not taking over, helping them learn. And that the tall whites helped us build these 3 starships, the Curtis LeMay, the Helen Keter, and the Vandenberg. From my mind, it seems like that if the tall whites are introduced by not just our government, let's say the way we have global meetings, it would be where a lot of countries were represented. And they introduce the tall whites, and they do it in a way that is collaborative. They're helpful. All of these human leaders are saying, these have been helping us. They're going to help us. We need their help. And we're now introducing you to other life in the universe. We were formed, perhaps by extraterrestrials, ironically enough, as being of, by, and for the people.